Most people think ads work because they're creative, catchy, or emotional. That's only half the story. In reality, ads work because they're measured, tested, and optimized using data. Companies don't just run ads and hope for the best. They track every click, every view, every conversion. The real question is not, did people like the ad? It's, did the ad actually drive results? And that's where marketing analytics comes in. Think about this in a simple way. Imagine you run 2 ads for the same product, one on Instagram, one on Google. Both look good, both get attention, but which one actually brings customers? Marketing analytics answers that. It tracks metrics like impressions, clicks, conversion rates, and return on investment. It tells you not just how many people saw your ad, but how many acted on it. Without this, you're just spending money without knowing what's working. This shift toward data-driven marketing didn't happen by accident. Early marketing thinkers like Philip Kotler focused on understanding customer behavior, but modern marketing has taken it further, combining that understanding with real-time data and performance tracking. Today, every campaign is measured, compared, and optimized continuously. In practical terms, marketing analytics looks at the full journey, from the moment a user sees an ad to clicking it, to visiting a website, to finally making a purchase. Each step is tracked and analyzed. For example, if thousands of people click an ad but very few buy, the problem might not be the ad, it might be the website or pricing. This level of insight allows businesses to fix the right problem instead of guessing. And here's where it gets more advanced. Companies don't just track performance, they experiment. They run A/B tests on headlines, images, targeting, and timing. They segment audiences based on behavior and personalize ads accordingly. Platforms like Google and Meta use massive amounts of data to show ads to the right people at the right time. That's why ads sometimes feel like they're reading your mind. They're not. They're just using data effectively. But here's the truth most people ignore. More data doesn't automatically mean better decisions. If you focus on the wrong metrics, you can mislead yourself. High clicks don't always mean high sales. More impressions don't always mean more impact. That's why understanding what to measure is just as important as measuring itself. Now with AI, marketing analytics is becoming even more powerful. Systems can automatically adjust bids, target audiences, and optimize campaigns in real time. But the principle remains the same. Measure, analyze, improve. The tools have changed, but the logic hasn't. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't just to explain marketing, it's to show how it actually works behind the scenes. Because once you understand marketing analytics, you stop seeing ads as random promotions and start seeing them as controlled experiments designed to drive results. And that's when you move from guessing what works to knowing what works.